In this tutorial, we will learn how to set up multiple Ethernet controllers. We've already learned the setup for the Ethernet controller process. So we'll need our Ethernet controller, Cat5 cables, a Wi-Fi router, and now a network switch. The installation process. Prepare the controller boxes. Lay out each of your 4-port controllers with their Ethernet cables attached. Step 2. Connect the Ethernet cables. Take each one of your Ethernet cables from each controller, plug it directly into the network switch until it clicks. Depending on how many Ethernet controllers would depend on which network switch you have. Lastly, you will now connect your router to the network switch. It's a good practice to go from the last port of the network switch into the first port of your router as shown here. Step 3, turn on the controllers. Now it's time to connect to the Twinkly app.